So come with me to Fort Lauderdale to feed some tarpons, jack, and eat some alligator. So you don't know anything will include activities, food, and a great time, I'm all for it. So this is what I really came here for, the fried gator bites. So if you live in Florida and never had alligator before, you need to try it. So this is what it looks like. It tastes like chicken, it looks like chicken, but a little bit more chewy. But you can't tell the difference if somebody gives it to you and don't tell you what it is. If you're a sugar daddy or you're just a normal boat owner, you can pull up and they also have a refueling station, so you're good to go after you leave. This place is called 15th Street Fisheries, and this is in Fort Lauderdale. So if you want the same experience that I get, make sure say this girl will carry around to the deck. And you could also feed the fish while you eating fish. This was real mahi-mahi and it was good. So they do love fries, and yes, you're allowed to do this. So this is me feeding tarps. So listen to this. They also have a section where you could buy frozen shrimp for $6 per bag. And you go down there and feed. You just gotta check it out.